Hello, this is Sausage Fingers and welcome to another unboxing video. Right, I could not be more excited about this. I actually went out and treated myself, as you can see, to the DJI Spark Fly More combo. This is just an unboxing. I keep going into too much detail when I'm doing these unboxing videos, so I'm literally just going to unbox this. I want to get it charged up and I want to take it out for a spin. It is blowing an absolute gale today, so I can't do it, which is probably good. It'll give me time to charge everything up. Oh. Right, if you want one of these, they are available on the DJI website. I will put a link in the description. Let's give that a chop. Let's see what's in the box. Oh my God. Ah, more choppy. What are you doing to me? Yeah, look. Look at that. They've squished a lot in that little box, didn't they? Right, we're going to take this out first. Well, I'll grab what I can first. Right, I'll move the box out of the way for a minute. With the Fly More, this is exactly what you get with the Fly More combo. So, I don't really know yet, to be honest. What we got in here? This is our lovely little carry case. You can buy all these separate, but I thought, well, I added up the difference, and it was actually a lot more expensive to buy them separate. This is why I've done it this way. What we got there, that's the charging dock. USB to mini USB. This is a lovely little bag. It's tiny. Right, what we got in here? Padding for days. Don't eat that. Take that out as well. I'm going to keep all this padding. Oh, there's the remote. I think I've just turned it on by accident. Right, this first time I've ever touched this, as you can see. Now, what we do with this, apparently this pulls down, and our phone fits in that as well. So, I don't think that's big enough for a tablet, but you can put your Android or like iPhone in there, like fits in, and then you get, right, I'll go through some of the basic stats. Your flight time is about 16 minutes. I would take a couple of minutes off that, I should imagine. What we're going to get, VPS up to 30 meters. You can fly this thing 1.2 miles away, about 2 kilometers. These feel a little bit plasticky, to be honest. I wouldn't like to drop that. It's not big and bulky. I used to fly RC helis and the remotes are huge, but I can imagine with a phone in that. Yeah, I can imagine with a phone in that as well. That'd be a nice weight. Yeah, that's all right actually. I'm happy with that. We've got a few little hotkeys on that as well. Already set by default. I don't know what any of these do yet. That flips back. Yeah, nice. We've got a hole in the side so we can attach via cables as well if we want to, the phone. Or we can attach via Wi-Fi as well, I believe. So I'll put that up there. What we got here, I presume that plugs into the charging dock. A couple of USBs inside there. Feels nice and solid, quality bit of kit. What we got here, plug. I presume if you buy that in the UK, you get a UK plug, US, you get a US plug, or whatevs, you know. What we got here? Oh, I know what these are. These are the blade guards. I don't know how they clip on yet, but I'm sure we'll find out. Pop them down there. And the same in this bag as well, blade guards. That's a nice little clip on there. I don't know how they work, like I say, I've never used them before. We'll have a bash, we'll have a bash. Obviously, being DJI, you can pretty much guarantee the quality of this gear. It is like, yeah, it's the shizzle, isn't it? That's a nice little carry case, that. Right, back to the box. I'm going to do this bit. Don't know what's in there. Oh my god, that is that the biggest instruction manual I've ever seen for anything in the world? Look at that lot. You get quite a bit of reading to do with this, by the looks of it. It says in big writing on the back, this is not a toy. Well, it is a grown-up toy. Cool. That's a lot of instructions, isn't it? Quick start guide. That's the one I want. Yeah. One more box. And this is it. This is the unveiling. There she is. Oh, it's so cute. Now, there is a reason I got a red one. You can get white, black, metallic. You can get all these fancy colours. I used to fly RC helis, as I've said. My mate bought an RC heli and he painted it camouflage, DPM. He flew it away, landed it, couldn't find it. Next time he flew it, he went up, by some trees, couldn't see the helicopter, crashed it. Second flight, dead. Never flew it again after that. That's why I've got a red one. If this goes down somewhere, I want to be able to see it from far away. And look at the size of it compared to my hand. This thing is tiny. I could have went a lot bigger, but this is my first ever drone, so I'm staying small. This is one of the batteries. That is a really quality bit of kit, that. Look at that. I think that's also the landing skids. You can buy like an additional undercarriage for this thing, but I'm trying to keep the weight down. I'll put that over there and that just slides in there. Oh, really easily as well. Let's have a look at that. Again, I used to have the RC helis and you used to have to fiddle around with all these stupid little connections. That proper clips in there. That's really nice. Yeah, happy with that. What we got in here? Ah, spare blades by the looks of it. Yep, spare blade set. And another spare blade set. Now, let's do, oh God, look at it, it's so cute. Oh, boozy. Right, let's pick it up. Oh, it's really light. It's got a battery on it already. I've got a spare battery. Yeah. Right, I'm going to get rid of this box. That's a lovely little box, though. That don't fit in there by the looks of it. I'll have a go after. Right, let's have the battery off. That comes off really easily. I'm actually shaking. I'm so excited about this. Oh, it's such a shame the weather's poo. Right, this thing is light as a feather. It feels solid. It really feels sturdy. 2-axis gimbal, 12 megapixel camera, records in full 1080. There are ones that do record in 4K, but like I said, this is my first drone. I'm not doing anything silly first. There's still a lot of money for a little drone. I want to see what this is all about before I get into it big time. These are the LEDs here. I don't know how to get the rotors off, but apparently they just pop straight off. Let's see how she sits with a battery on. That camera is very close to the ground. Do you know what? I might fork out for the extra skids. Right, what I've done as a comparison, I've borrowed my wife's phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S6. I've also got the S6 as well, I love it, but I'm recording with mine, so as a size comparison, there you go. That's how big this thing is. Look, it is titchy. That's cool. I didn't want anything big. I want to be able to fly this indoors and outdoors. I've seen people flying these outdoors. I know they deal well with the wind. I don't think I'd be confident taking this thing 1.2 miles away though, to be honest. It's got a sport mode as well. This thing does like, what is it, 50 kilometres an hour? What's that, about 30 miles an hour? No, 50 kilometres an hour, yeah, or 30 miles an hour. Cool, that's pretty rapid, that. I won't be going that fast, I can tell you that for nothing. Yeah, no dramas getting that in there. Although the drone itself doesn't fit in that as well. But I can go out for a day's flying carrying nothing but this and this. Consider yourself unboxed, little drone. The DJI Spark. I will be making future videos on this, obviously, to show all the specifications of this thing, what it can do. Yeah, I need a really good play with this. I want to see the video footage. I want to see the video quality. I want to see the photo quality. I want to see the flight quality. I want to get genuine flight times. But as you can see, it's a very solid bit of kit. It looks like I am going to have a lot of fun with this. Yeah. I'll put a link to DJI's website in the description, so if you want one of these, you know where to go. You can get them other places like Amazon and all of that malarkey as well. Right, look forward to the next video where I will be putting this thing through its paces. Well, I've got to learn how to fly it first, get it all charged up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a like and a subscribe. I will see you very soon. Laters.